If you've ever been to Fort Canning Park, you may have noticed these white structures. And for almost 100 years, they have sat on this green roof that has housed one of Singapore's oldest functioning service reservoirs, located almost 30 feet below ground. Built by the British, Fort Canning Service Reservoir was commissioned in 1929 to deliver clean drinking water to the city centre, following an increase in water demand. Unlike catchment reservoirs that collect rainwater, service reservoirs store treated water that's ready to drink. This is how it works. Catchment reservoirs channel rainwater to our waterworks to be treated into potable water, while service reservoirs receive potable water from our waterworks that is then distributed to customers through our network of pipelines. So if you work in the Central Business District or live in city areas such as Lavender and Boon Keng, your water supply comes from Fort Canning Service Reservoir. Except for a break in the 1940s when repairs were made on a roof damaged during World War II, this service reservoir has been serving the people of Singapore uninterrupted till today, all thanks to the solid foundation laid in 1929 and held together by 462 reinforced columns and 264 unreinforced domes that have stood the test of time. When in operation, water levels will rise to the very top of the service reservoir, which can hold enough water to fill up 55 Olympic-sized swimming pools. And if you're wondering how treated water gets here, look west. Manan Service Reservoir and Woodley Waterworks supply Fort Canning with potable water via underground pipelines, and pressure is boosted by pumping at Bukit Timah Waterworks. Thanks to regular inspections and maintenance work to keep it in good condition, Fort Canning Service Reservoir is showing no signs of slowing down and will continue to play an important role in PUB's mission to deliver clean drinking water to everyone in Singapore.